Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to send a video call link on WhatsApp using your PC. With the latest update, connecting with friends and family has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the WhatsApp desktop app installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Microsoft Store or Mac App Store, depending on your device. Once installed, log in by linking your phone to the app. Now, here's how to send a video call link. 1. Open the WhatsApp desktop app on your PC. Ensure you're logged in and connected to a stable internet connection. 2. On the left-hand side menu, locate and click on the phone icon. This will take you to the calling options. 3. Next, click on Start Call, then select Send Link. This option allows you to generate a unique link for your video call. 4. You'll now be prompted to choose the contacts you want to share the link with. Select them from your list. 5. Finally, click Send to share the video call link with your chosen contacts. And that's it. The recipients can simply click on the link to join your video call effortlessly. This feature is perfect for staying connected with loved ones or collaborating with colleagues. Thank you for tuning in. Stay connected and enjoy seamless video calls on WhatsApp from your PC.